Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create gradient background design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a horizontal box shape. Give gradient fill color to shape. Left gradient slider color R237, G30, B121 and right gradient slider color R0, G255, B255. Select shape and go to object menu and lock and selection Ctrl 2. Draw a oval shape with ellipse tool. Select anchor points with direct selection tool. Shortcut A. Move to right selected anchor points. Select anchor points with the direct selection tool and double click on scale tool. Uniform 0%. Select anchor point and click on remove selected anchor points from main panel. Select anchor points and move to up. You can make different shapes with this trick. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Select shapes and right click and transform and reflect. Select horizontal. You can rotate shape with the free transform tool. Shortcut E. Select anchor point and click on remove selected anchor points from main panel. Select anchor points and move to up. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. You can rotate shape with free transform tool. Shortcut E. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Select shapes and click on Unite from Pathfinder panel. Shift Ctrl F9. Select anchor points and click on Convert selected anchor points to smooth from main panel. Select shape and right click on Arrange and bring to front. You can change gradient colors from gradient panel, Ctrl F9. You can pick color from shape with eyedropper tool shortcut I. You can edit anchor points with direct selection tool. Draw a line, stroke weight 2 point, select line and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Ctrl R for duplicate shape. Outline color white. Group Ctrl G. Draw circles different sizes. Select circle and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Draw different sizes of white fill color circles. Select circle shape and right click and arrange and bring to front. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. You can change gradient colors and adjust from gradient panel, Ctrl F9. You can pick color from the shape with eyedropper tool shortcut I. Select shapes and go to Effect menu and Stylize and drop shadow. Mode darken and opacity 10% and X offset 7 pixel and Y offset 7 pixel and blur 5 pixel. Finally, your modern gradient background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create vector background designs in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.